Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. Joining us for this segment, we have Anthony Hughes, CEO and Chief Tendies Officer over at Stonks Trading. Anthony, it's great to have you with us. Welcome to Trade Talks.
Hey, Jill. Thanks for having me.
And today you're here announcing the launch of the Stonks Trading App. Tell us about the launch and the idea behind the company, and then tell me what a Chief Tendies Officer is.
Yeah, so let's first start with why we started Stonks in the first place. So back in January, February, when the retail traders got locked out of trading the meme stocks called Stonks, I saw a marketing problem, and so we decided to create a retail trading platform that is primarily owned by the users. And so, which is kind of a unique differentiator, which we'll get into here in a sec. But yeah, so we saw a marketing problem back in January, February of this year, and wanted to create a user-centric trading platform. And here we are 10 months later with Stonks Trading app launching in the App Store this last week. And I'm now a Chief Tendies Officer. If you're familiar with the Wall Street Bets lingo, it's tendies are like, I'm getting my gains. And so as the CEO of Stonks Trading, I have to also act as the Chief Tendies Officer so our retail traders can go and get those gains on our platform.
All right, so what can users expect to find within the app, and what sets you apart from other trading platforms in the market?
Yeah, so we just launched version 1, and so we went from nothing, scratch, just started a company in January, to launching our version 1 of the trading platform in the App Store this last week. And so it's still very new, so you can get in there, you can buy equities, you can short equities, then options will be coming out in the beginning of next year, and so on. And so right now, version 1, you can get in the app, buy the stocks that you want, hold the stocks that you want. You can also short if you'd like as well. But what sets us apart, because having a trading platform is not unique, obviously, in the industry. What sets us apart is the ownership aspect of our company. And so our goal is to give the first 500,000 users of our platform 5 shares of our company. And so what that does is it creates a people-centric company first, right? Like we do things, we build products and services for our users because they're also shareholders of the company. And so that is a massive, unique differentiator for us by giving ownership, literally our company, away to our user base.
Can you share the growth plans for the company for 2022 and beyond?
Yeah, so Q4 of this year, we've launched a trading app in the iOS store. We'll be rolling out an Android app here shortly as well. And then 2022, we're essentially trying to create a super app for our retail traders. And what I mean by that is we want to offer more than just stock trading. Like we're going through the process of filing with FinCEN to get our money services business licensed so that we can have a crypto exchange. We're going to launch an ICO in the beginning of next year for a coin that specific utility is on our platform. And then further down in 2022, we have a lot of stuff. It's fun, but it's what our users are voting on. And so we'll put out something like a neobank or a crypto exchange. What do you want? And then our users will vote, and they voted to have a crypto exchange first. And so crypto, then our coin, and then we're going to be launching a neobank, so people can bank, have savings accounts, checking accounts on our platform. And then we'll move into other alternative investment styles after that, such as investing into startups, fractional real estate, all within one platform.
So Anthony, let's expand upon that a little bit more, because I think you're onto something here. Will you be partnering, as is the case with a number of fintechs, with larger institutions? Let's say, for example, if you do get into the banking side, how do you plan to pull all these regulatory strings together?
Yeah, that's a fantastic question. So we are a fintech company, first and foremost. So we are partnering with Alpaca Markets as our broker dealer. So we're creating a fantastic user experience and user interface, but relying on established brokerage partners to offer brokerage services. The same would be true on the neobanking side as well. So we'll partner with a company like Galileo that then gives us access to BBVA or BankCore, so that we don't have to focus on a banking charter or getting our broker dealer license right away. We can focus on creating a fantastic user experience for our retail traders and investors on our platform. And that's how we'll carry out rolling out new products in the future as well.
All right, Anthony, thanks for joining us today. And if you're interested in learning more about the Stonks movement, visit www.trystonks.com or download the Stonks Trading app in the App Store to get your 5 free shares of Stonks Trading. Anthony, it was great to have you with us. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.
Thanks, Jill. Appreciate it.